video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to Kinsella, Alberta, a charming hamlet nestled in the eastern hills of Beaver County. Located approximately 150 kilometers southeast of Edmonton, Kinsella offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Kinsella's history is rich and varied. The hamlet celebrated its centennial in 2010, marking 100 years of community spirit and resilience. With a small population of around 40 residents, Kinsella embodies the essence of a close-knit, supportive community. A notable highlight of Kinsella is the University of Alberta Ranch. This world-class facility for cattle and range management research was founded in 1960 and covers a total area of 4,856 hectares. It plays a crucial role in advancing agricultural practices in the region and is a testament to Kinsella's contribution to the agricultural community. The Kinsella Performing Arts Guild hosts a series of dinner theatre performances between November and January, providing residents and visitors with an exciting evening of entertainment and delicious home-cooked meals. The Kinsella Rose Seniors Club also plays an active role in the community, organizing events and activities to keep residents engaged and connected. While Kinsella may be small, it boasts a tight-knit community that takes pride in its history and natural beauty. Whether you're visiting for a day or planning to stay longer, Kinsella offers a warm welcome and a glimpse into the heart of rural Alberta. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy this video. And remember, you can find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.